When Nikola Tesla filed US 645,576 in the spring of 1900, the world still imagined electricity as a force confined to wires. Tesla's vision, however, was of an entire transportation network that floated above the streets and drew power directly from the sky. The aerial tram, a sleek, single-track monorail suspended from a lattice of steel towers, embodied three core design principles: form, function, and aesthetic. Formally, the tram's chassis was an elongated, honeycomb aluminum alloy frame, only a meter wide but 3 meters tall, granting it a slender, gliding profile. Its wheels were not conventional steel rims but magnetic levitation pads that interacted with a copper-coated conduit embedded in the supporting cable. The conduit doubled as a waveguide for Tesla's resonant Tesla coil transmitter, allowing high-frequency alternating currents to leap across the air gap without a physical contact point. The overall silhouette resembled a futuristic needle, its tapered nose cutting through the wind while the rear houses a compact oscillator that stabilizes the resonant frequency on the fly. Functionally, the tram drew continuous power from a series of towering resonators spaced every 200 meters along the route. Each resonator emitted a coherent electromagnetic field tuned to 5 kHz, the same frequency Tesla used for his Wardenclyffe experiments. The tram's onboard receiver, a set of concentric spiraled coils, induced a high-voltage AC that was instantly rectified and fed to the propulsion coils on the levitation pads. Because the energy was transferred wirelessly, the tram needed no onboard fuel, nor any reliance on ground-based rails, resulting in a near-silent, zero-emission movement. Speed could be modulated simply by adjusting the amplitude of the received field, giving the operator precise control without the friction and wear of traditional brakes. Aesthetically, Tesla's drawings present the aerial tram as an artifact of the Art Nouveau era merged with early 20th century engineering optimism. The blueprints are rendered in delicate ink on yellowed parchment, the lines flowing like vines around the steel skeleton, while annotations in a spidery cursive font highlight the harmonious marriage of nature and technology. The visual language speaks to a time when engineers imagined cities as living organisms, energized by invisible forces. Though never built, the aerial tram remains a compelling blueprint for today's wireless-powered maglev concepts, inviting us to revisit Tesla's audacious promise of a world where energy and motion travel hand in hand through the air.